Hello and welcome to a demonstration of the Pool Watch water testing software. This is going to take you on a quick tour of some of the features of the program and how to navigate around within the program itself. After you have finished with your installation CD, you're going to have two icons that are going to be added to your desktop. One of them, the Pool Watch water testing icon, and the other one that sort of sets us apart from the other water test programs that are out there is our online tech support. And what this does is it allows you to connect to one of our technicians here who can then either go through some customization processes with you or troubleshoot maybe some system difficulties that you're incurring. But right now we're just going to launch the Pool Watch water testing software. So this assumes that you've already registered your scanner, that you've already registered the program. And one of the first things that you'll see when you come into the program itself is that all of the customers' both spa and pool records are contained within one record now. So you've got your customer information in the light green panel on the left, the pool details in the light orange one in the center, and the spa details in the light blue one on the right. So we're going to add a customer record here. And one of the things that I would encourage you to do is to have the water testing technician be consistent as to how they enter the phone numbers in there, because what that'll do is it'll allow for quicker searches later on as your database grows. So we're going to enter these in with dashes in there. And you'll notice there's fields that are in red, and those are fields that are mandatory for you to enter in to complete all the customer's information. As we enter down here, you can select, if you want to at this point, a long-term algicide that this customer may use. So if we put in an algicide, it tells us the date that it was applied, and in 90 days it's going to recommend that that customer reapply that algicide as a maintenance. We can now figure out the volume of the pool here. Click on a rectangular pool, and it's going to ask me for the length of my pool, the width of my pool, and an average depth of the pool. It'll then calculate the volume for me. I can also enter in some information about this customer's pool, which would be valuable if I ever had to send a technician out there. The finish of the pool, this is an important one to fill in, because what we do is we've done some research to find out what the ideal values are for alkalinity, pH, calcium hardness, and some other parameters, and they're based upon the type of finish of the pool. We can also enter in his filter type here, that we've got an in-ground pool. He's using a gas heater on it and a creepy crawly for a cleaner here. We can select the customer's preferred chemical brand, what he uses for sanitizing his pool, and his delivery method for it. If this customer was on a service route, we could check valet service here and put down what the date of his last service was. Notice that when we did put that finish of the pool in, that it automatically went out and sought the tables for giving us what the ideal values were for this customer and his pool finish. If this customer liked dry acid, we could put a 1 in this box here. So we'll save the changes to this customer, and now we're ready to perform a test. So our scanner is already up and running. We're going to tell it that we're ready to run the scanner. And once we do that, it actually gives us a timer and lets us know that we're all set to dip our strip. Hold the strip on its edge like a knife. Dip and slowly withdraw it, turning the pads upright. Then wait until the timer clock tells you that it's okay to insert the strip in the channel and scan the strip. And now we're ready to scan. It's that quick. And now the data is going to populate in there and go in and check off the conditions of the pool. Perhaps it's a little bit cloudy, that we have a little bit of brown scale around the sides. So now it's going to recommend treatments for that also. And any product that I check over here automatically gets added to the customer's purchase list over here. If they choose that they don't want that product, then another click just takes it off the list. But in this instance, what we're going to do is have this customer take our recommendations and purchase all the products that you see here. We can save the test and then print the test. The printout is very concise. Remember, on that main screen, we had initially put the pool volume in, what type of filter the customer had, his wall finish, his cleaner type, and his preferred sanitizer method. So we've captured all that data and we printed out along with the recommended treatments. It shows what the acceptable ranges for chlorines for his type of pool is and what we actually tested his at. So now it gives us the items that he's going to need and then precise instructions as to how to remedy the situation that he's got going on with his pool, and also makes some maintenance recommendations for him so that he's not going to get into a water imbalance situation with his pool in the future. So these are just some of the features in Pool Watch that are going to help you as a business keep your customers satisfied and at the same time grow your business. So we hope that this little brief tour of the Pool Watch water testing program helps you make a informed decision as to purchasing our product. The tech support is one of the key facets that we have here. Many years of pool and water balancing knowledge that the folks here at Homeport Computer have. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 866-275-0547. Thank you.